Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are at my sister's and we're having fun day. We're having a fun day. All of us are cooking. So over here is some curry, chicken. Well, I know me a cook. Miss Ustad. Cheers to me, please. Cheers to me. Say hi. Nobody not hear you. You want a big spoon here? You want one?
Yeah.
Roberta, say hi. And say hi. Hi. She's doing sandwich. So that's corned beef.
Corned
so
beef
if you want corned beef
corned beef
sandwich. If you want corned beef sandwich, guys, check her.
me.
So what you cooking, ma'am? Soup?
Rice and peas.
Oh, she's cooking rice and peas for 50 people.
Right.
Is that 50 pot this?
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, God, I'm cooking rice and peas. The chef cook back there. Oh, my fire. Carl, careful. Come behind me, no I get bronchitis. Come look in the fast. Okay guys, so we're cooking curry chicken, wood fire. So that's it guys. You can show me too, you know. So that's what we're doing. I see my assistant chef over here, so. Yeah, I mean actually I'm main chef, you know. I'm just the assistant. So the real chef there.
Real chefina.
Can I get a wash? Can I get a wash? Wash me, wash me. Wash my foot. Wash my foot. Go, excuse me, excuse. Oh, you want to come too? Wash it, Teresa, wash it.
Big up yourself.
Yep.
At least our curry chicken seems as if it is being cooked now.
Yeah, well, it's all water now. Hey, enjoy that now?
Some more. Oh, nice. Big up yourself, Miss Mullins. Miss Spirit. Mrs. Spirit. Mullins Spirit. See them now she burn up herself. It's not right.
She don't know to cook outside and wood fire. Yes guys, so all this one with some water. And it's good to go. Check it out. Check out my camera earlier, you know. You're afraid of it.
Curry, yellow man.
It's
There
a
the
well
wood
curry.
fire.
Well
Cold pot, you know?
Yes, chef. One pot of peas in a pot. You have to see, but it's down there.
So she washing a whole bucket of rice.
Nicola, can control that pot now? I open it for you. Come.
And the wood fire going, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. I see chef over there, so there. With the glass, with the light round in neck. In a middle there. So I wonder how you must see can see. A whole bucket of rice the people are cooking the rest of
25 on rice. Ini kan, mesti kan. Kalau saya.
The lady has a circle pot for story. Teaspoon in the butter bucket. Yeah, but who are Nikai? Taste the butter for them. Andrea, how much you give? Want? Andrea want to look. Over there, so going.
This took 2 persons, guys. So for the company, it took 2 of us. One to throw, one to story.
So ladies and gentlemen, let's go to the pool. Remember say a whole pound, yeah? Hey, no, children, no. No! Don't do that.
That's what you get. You flashed it out. You guys,
Wipe your nose.
stop drinking water.
And the kids are enjoying themselves. Look how small the pool is and the pool full. The pool over full.
I begin to
guys, it is even now. We're waiting on the chef to finish cooking. She's over here cooking up our thing. She's doing some fried chicken. This on horse, don't you? Yes, I'm waiting on the chef to finish.
I only hope this phone drops in the frying
And
pan.
fry.
Okay. So we'll have fried.
Fry phone.
French
Yeah,
fried phone.
and so she didn't get to go in the pool.
French fried phone.
Yeah, French fry. French fry phone. Oh. Yes, guys. Oh, French fry phone. You can't fry your phone, Nancy. Go back by the rubber because my friend film fish in there, so. May I come try? Not turn on yet. What do you have to say? Say something. Say hi. No, you. Just say hi. Hi. You're on YouTube. So Roberta is over here in the kitchen. She's frying up her fish. She's doing fishy for dinner. That's her fish over. We can't see her fish. Her fish there. Yep. She's frying up her fish. Yes, guys. We're having a good time here. Come on, say hi. Come say hi. Is it hi this morning already? It's hi this morning, not you? One of my niece, guys. Such a pretty. That's what I'm to the guys, man.
I'm sick from man.
Yeah, everybody know you're sick, you know?
Yeah, I'm sick, ladies and gents.
You're not that sick again. Because I'm actually touching you now.
I'm still 6 years away. And you just don't listen. You still the champion me see away. Yeah.
So I love each and when you're sick. I'm sick too. So we're sick too. We're sick together.
But I'm sick too. Sick too and sick are two different
Two different
stories.
sick. Two different
So
sick.
one is sick and
One
one
is
is
sick
sick.
One
too.
is sick too.
Yeah.
How sick to look?
Me wonder this.
Like me.
Oh yes,
Sick to look like me.
that is so true.
Yes, guys. So it's fun here. We're having some fun.
So the domino table and set up and
No, man. After dinner.
and everybody want to go home.
I that me a come for.
Okay, guys. So it's now dinner time,
Take me
and
over there, so.
everyone is
Send
eating.
my grandma for you over there.
Andrea over there trying to hide from the camera. I'm going to show her.
Come over there, send her for you.
Nobody hide Andrea. So she'll try to hide from the camera. But I'm not hiding.
No. I ain't hiding.
And Roberta enjoying her meal. Yep. And the big chef over here. Big chef, big chef, you know. Head chef. Mommy eating. Say hi. Kid and the boys eating. Say hi. And the family over here all eating. Everyone say hi. Oh, the food. Nice. Oh, nice, nice, yeah? It's all the best I hide.
Delicious.
Hey. Yes, guys, so we're enjoying our dinner. YouTube. Actually, the outside crew here now. The outside crew eat and them belly full. Remember, I can't go down one piece of chicken left in my plate. Watch her. Let me turn on the camera and show you. See her belly full? Can't eat no more. Look her belly big. Oh, I embrace that.
Give me for your food, I'll make me carry it.
So how was the meal? How was the meal?
I don't know. Oh, the meal was nice.
Yeah. How was the meal? You know, come here. You not eat? Oh, she not eat chicken. Oh gosh, she not get vegetable and pasta?
Look here.
Or potato salad?
No, she got the butter on her this here, so she not eating.
You want me to put some sugar on it so you get some?
I in a my one.
She can get one eye fish.
Fish today?
Yes. So go share for
Let me
you.
take time to talk on camera. You can't get one eye fish.
I'm going to get this.
Come get fish. In a cupboard. You put that in Mikey food?
Yeah.
Alright, come.
If you buy any, you hear? You know, we're up one cent for auntie at 2 weeks.
No, up at, which part of the, up at the end? Up at the end?